This one is to Joaquin from Mom and Dad. This is to Rocco from Mom and Dad. Yeah, go ahead and open them.
Hey, look what I got.
What is that?
I don't know. Someone gave that to me. Mom, what is this?
What is that?
What's for that?
Who gave you that? Who gave that to you? What? What is that?
I don't know.
That's for you.
I go, party. Stupid.
Well, you don't like the present?
No,
Why?
you're stupid.
That hurts my feelings.
I hate this.
But it's for the potty for you.
Why did you give me this?
I thought you would like it.
I said I want a cow for Christmas.
That's not a cow, is it?
I'm sorry. Do you like your brother's gift?
No, I don't like these two. Why do we have to have these?
You don't like the gifts I got you?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why did you give me this?
I thought you could use it for the toilet.
I don't want it.
That was the one gift I was going to give you early.
Are you mad about it?
Should we go get your brother?
No.
Well, we should tell your brother to come out.
Should come videotape it.
Okay. Let's go tell your brother to come out.
Are you mad about the gift?
No. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It's locked.
Well,
Sorry.
that was really rude. I buy you a gift?
What is this? A joke?
No. Oh my God. Rocco, don't shut the door on me.
I will.
No.
Yes.
Oh my God. I can't believe you're acting like this. You can say you don't like it. What are you doing? Rocco, come out here, please.
I'm not coming out.
Why?
It's the worst Christmas I've ever had.
You're crying? Are you crying? Rocco, come out. Let me talk to you, okay?
No.
Come
I'm
here.
not coming out, Mom.
Come on.
No, I'm not going to.
You don't like your gift that much?
No, it's the worst Christmas I've ever had.
I'm
I
sorry.
have just opened one toy.
What did I get you? I'm sorry. Come out.